Hi, this is Christine Crow here, and I want to talk to you about something really exciting. I'm so excited about this because this is the first of its ever kind that I've been doing this. I've been using AI tools now for about a year in my own business, and I've been able to reduce my staff down to, well, 70%. And what I want to do is I want to introduce to you the AI business solutions, which is AI automation in your business. And why am I doing this? Because I want you to be able to have that time freedom. Listen, I know care providers, I know how hard it is to run a healthcare business, and it's very frightening, daunting, all of the paperwork that you've got to do and you've got to deal with. So what I want to do is I want to have a special group mastermind. This is completely free, and I'm looking for 10 people, for example, that can join the mastermind. You have to pay for the AI tools yourself, but it depends really where you are in your business, and the tools really range from 150 a month up to 1,500 a month. So it depends how big your business is currently at the moment. Now, this is going to be for about 3 months. This is a 3 month mastermind and it's a beta test, okay? And what I want to do is I want to really introduce you to the AI world. Listen, if we don't get into this now, then we're going to be left behind, for example. Now, I can really show you the tools that's going to help you in your healthcare business because I'm used to healthcare businesses. I've been in healthcare for 35 years. I've been in my own healthcare businesses for 20 years. And yes, I have been through 3 recessions in my own healthcare businesses, and I'm being truthful and honest with you. Some of them I lost, some of them I won. The ones that I did where I was like the sole proprietor, self employed persons, I did extremely well in. And I have done many healthcare businesses, and remember, they say that master of many, but they usually say master of none, but that is incorrect saying. It is master of many and master of many businesses. For example, you know how to do these different types of positions. Now, I would prefer someone that is a master of many than rather have someone who is a master of one, because they can only do one thing, and that really limits your business, for example. So what I want for you today, care providers, is for you to join me. I can only take 10 as a beta test. For example, we'll create a group, a private group as well, and you will be joining me every 2 weeks, for example, and we'll be talking about the tools. I'll help you implement the tools in your business. I will implement them into your business, but I can only do 10 for free, for example. But I really want you to win at this because I want you to enjoy your healthcare business. I want your business to grow. I want you to be able to save money each month into your healthcare business. I want to help put in the AI tools into your business. Imagine having a voice AI that can answer your phones, do calls for you, like 300 calls an hour. No human can do this, okay? This is the good side to AI, and I want to introduce the good side to AI in your business today. And I'm so super excited, and I hope that you'll be able to join me. This is a private video that is going to go out to the 10 beta testers as well. So please do click the link here if you haven't booked your appointment, because I will be doing a free AI audit tool in your business, and then look at what the implementation tools that you need to put into your business, which you have to pay for your AI implementation tools, not me, but I will implement them for you, and then we will work together to get them implemented into your business so that you're able to have more time freedom for your family, for you, so that you can do the things that you really truly love. So click the link here and join me in the masterclass. This is a beta, and it is a one and only. I've never done this before, So I want you to be a part of this revolution. So, do you want your business to be revolutionized? And do you want your business to be effective, efficient, and fast, and for your clients to have a better outcome? Now, you also will get a better income in your business as well. So, join me today. Click the link, and I will see you soon. Take care, providers. Thank you. Bye.